Struggling with clamps that slip, break, or just don't deliver the grip you need? It's frustrating when tools fail to support your work, but finding the right one can make all the difference. In this video, we'll cover the best woodworking clamps, ensuring your project stays secure and precise from start to finish. The IRWIN Quick Grip one-handed mini-bar clamp is a game-changer for anyone working on smaller projects or in tight spaces. Designed for convenience, it features a one-handed trigger that allows you to clamp and release with ease, making it an ideal choice for quick, hands-free work. The non-marring pads provide a firm grip while protecting your materials from scratches, ensuring your workpieces stay in pristine condition. Crafted from reinforced resin and hardened steel, this clamp delivers a robust performance with 150 pounds of clamping force, giving you the power to securely hold materials in place without worrying about bending or flexing. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, its compact size makes it perfect for working in confined areas. What sets the IRWIN Quick Grip apart is its patented pistol grip design, offering enhanced comfort and control during prolonged use. The clamp is ideal for woodworking, crafting, or light construction, and its easy-to-use mechanism ensures you can work quickly and efficiently. While it may not have the high-tech features of larger clamps, the IRWIN Quick Grip mini-bar clamp is a fantastic tool that gets the job done. At an affordable price point, and with the lifetime guarantee backing it, this clamp offers exceptional value for anyone needing reliable, heavy-duty clamping power in a compact, user-friendly package. It's a must-have for small projects or when working in tight spaces. The WORKPRO 16-piece nylon spring clamp set is a standout choice for anyone in need of reliable, versatile clamps at an affordable price. This set includes a range of sizes, 3 3/8 inches, 4.5 inches, and 6.5 inches, catering to various tasks from woodworking to photography. The reinforced nylon construction ensures these clamps are both durable and lightweight, offering a tight, secure hold without the risk of cracking or damage over time. What truly sets this set apart is its ergonomic handle, which provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to work longer without hand fatigue. Whether you're securing backdrops in a photo studio or clamping wood pieces in your workshop, the durable pads protect your materials from scratches, maintaining a clean finish. The clamps feature 3 jaw-open sizes, offering the versatility needed for different projects. While compact and easy to store, the set's performance and range make it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 5,500 users, the WORKPRO Spring Clamp Set delivers on dependability and value. It combines affordable pricing with high-quality construction, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a reliable clamp set without breaking the bank. For those seeking a versatile tool that meets a variety of clamping needs, this set delivers excellent performance and durability. The KREG KHC-PREMIUM 3-inch face clamp redefines clamping for woodworkers, combining precision, comfort, and ease of use in one tool. This premium clamp is designed for secure, flush joints, making it an essential tool for anyone working with wood. Its ergonomic, padded handles offer comfort during prolonged use, reducing hand strain and improving control, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIYers. What sets the KREG face clamp apart is its adjustable screw mechanism, allowing you to easily match the clamp to the material thickness for a perfect fit. The 3-inch reach ensures versatility, accommodating a range of wood sizes with ease, whether you're working on delicate or heavy-duty projects. Crafted by KREG Tools, a trusted brand known for premium woodworking solutions, the KHC-PREMIUM face clamp excels in both quality and performance. It is particularly effective for pocket hole joinery, delivering consistent pressure for strong, secure joints. While it is a bit pricier than basic clamps, the KREG KHC-PREMIUM 3-inch face clamp justifies the investment with its durable build, precise adjustability, and comfort. For woodworkers seeking a reliable, high-performance clamp that guarantees a professional finish every time, this tool is a must-have. Whether you're an expert or just starting, the KREG face clamp elevates your woodworking projects with its thoughtful design and superior functionality. The Pony 50 clamp fixture for 3/4 inch black pipe is a game changer for anyone seeking a reliable and durable clamping solution for their woodworking or DIY projects. With its hardened steel construction, it ensures strong, secure clamping without the risk of bending or flexing. The crank-type handle provides easy and controlled tightening, while the 1 to 3/4 inch square clamp faces deliver a firm grip on your materials, making it perfect for projects that demand precise and even pressure. One of its standout features is the baked enamel finish, which not only adds a sleek, professional look, but also protects the clamp from corrosion and wear. The fixture's design, free of holes, rivets, or notches, ensures durability and smooth performance, even with extended use. This feature makes it especially suitable for frequent woodworking and heavy-duty tasks. The Pony 50 clamp fixture also boasts versatility, as it mounts easily on any 3/4 inch black pipe, making it adaptable to a variety of workshop setups. It weighs just 2.8 pounds, making it both sturdy and portable, and its lifetime warranty guarantees a reliable tool for years to come. With a 4.7-star rating from over 1,500 satisfied users, the Pony 50 clamp fixture is widely praised for its affordable price and exceptional quality. Whether you're building custom furniture, performing delicate woodwork, or tackling DIY projects, this clamp fixture offers the ideal balance of strength, durability, and convenience. For any woodworker or DIY enthusiast, it's an essential tool that delivers impressive performance every time. The Jorgensen 24-inch one-hand clamp hook spreader set offers an impressive combination of ease of use, versatility, and robust performance, making it a standout tool for woodworking enthusiasts. These clamps feature an ergonomic, one-handed operation that allows for quick and easy adjustments, perfect for fast-paced projects. With a maximum opening of 24 inches and a load limit of 300 pounds, they provide reliable clamping power for a variety of tasks. What truly sets the Jorgensen clamps apart is their ability to quickly convert into spreader clamps, allowing for more flexibility in different project setups. This feature is a game changer, particularly for those who work with large or irregularly shaped materials. The clamps are constructed with high-carbon steel for durability, and their glass-filled nylon handles provide a comfortable, slip-resistant grip, ensuring both control and comfort while working. The Jorgensen 24-inch clamps are built to withstand demanding use without compromising on ease of operation. The quick-release lever allows for fast adjustments, while the contoured grip helps reduce fatigue during prolonged use. These clamps are perfect for everything from fine woodworking to DIY home improvement projects, offering both simplicity and reliability. Designed with convenience and power in mind, the Jorgensen one-hand clamp touch spreader set is an excellent addition to any toolbox. Whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned professional, these clamps offer the performance and versatility required to tackle a wide range of projects with confidence.